Video, we are going to see the cherry pick in Git, one of the advanced feature. So in this video, we are going to learn the concept cherry picking. So and how it works. So what exactly the cherry pick is? Cherry pick is the process of picking a particular commit from one branch to another branch. So if I want to take one commit from one branch into another branch, I would go or I can go for cherry pick. So how it works means, let's say we have a master branch. In this master branch, we are taking another branch called Git Checkout feature one. So basically, I'm creating a new branch called feature one. Then we are actually switching to the feature one branch and we are making some commits, that is C1, C5, C4, C5, C6. So these changes are made after we take from master branch. So here we already have some commits here C1, C2, C3 in master branch. And if I think C1, C4, C5, C6 are there in the feature branch that are not in the master branch, if I want to take everything from here, I can go for rebase. But for some reason, for some reason I don't want to take all this, but I don't want C4, but I want only C5 and get into the master branch. How can I do that? Means first I have to go to the master branch by using command git checkout master, which means I'm switching to master branch, and from master branch I want this particular C5 which is there in the feature branch. Then I have to give git cherry commit id with the commit name. So this is the command. So if I give that, whenever I am currently in the master branch or the current branch, this commit id has to get into the master branch. So cherry pick is nothing but the process of picking a particular commit from one branch to another. It's not like about picking more than one commit, it's about picking up particular commit. If I want to pick C4, I want to give another commit message here like git cherry pick commit id and the commit name, so on. And also we need to be conscious, if I want to git commit from feature branch to master branch, we need to make sure we guys have to go to the master branch and then we have to use this command cherry pick and then commit id. So in the final branch we will be having C1, C2, C3 and C5. So here I'm going to create a new repository, that is let's go to new and create repository as cherry pick, and I'm adding readme file, and also I'm creating, change the default name, let me check here. Let it be. So I'm creating wait, I'll add readme file and I'll create repository. Sorry, it has gone. Let me add cherry pick. Sorry, cherry pick. So public readme file and create repository. You can see here I have created CherryPick repository here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to my local and I'm creating some new folder as Git Cherry-Pick, Git Cherry-Pick, and also I'm opening my Git Bash. Git Bash here. So here what I'm doing is I'm cloning here, git clone. Then I need the URL. So I'm copying this URL, CherryPick URL, and I'm cloning here, paste. So now if I give enter, it has been cloned in my local repo. So let's wait. After this, let me give cd cherry pick and lsltr. We are in cherry pick folder in my local. So what I'm doing is, let's see the current branch, git branch. You can see main. So what I'm going to do here is I'm creating a new branch called git branch and branch name as cherry branch. So I have created a cherry branch. If you want to check the list of branches, so git branch hyphen a I'm giving. You can see the branches here, cherry branch and main branch. So after that I want to switch it. So git checkout, then the branch name, branch is cherry branch. I want to switch it to this branch. So I'm giving enter. You can see switch to branch cherry branch. What I'm going to do is, now I want to create some files. Let's say touch1 git add dot, then I'm committing it, git commit hyphen m, then f1 adding in cherry branch. So this is my file f1. So in the same way I'm creating some other files, touch2. I'm adding 4 files as it is. So let's do that. Touch2 git add dot, then git commit hyphen m, f2 adding in cherry branch. So the third one is touch3 git add dot, then git commit I'm giving commit hyphen m, f3 adding in cherry branch. So I'm adding the last file, that is touch4 git add then git commit -m f4 adding in cherry branch. So after this, let me clear. I have cleared everything. Now I'm giving ls-ltr. So you can you can see 1 2 3 4. Now I'm going to give git log. You can see what are all the commits we have done in the cherry branch. So right now there are 4 commits in my local. It is not in my cherry branch. It is in my cherry branch. Now I want to take one particular commit from cherry branch and get it into the master branch. So I want to move to the particular branch wherever I am. I want that one commit from cherry branch. So I'm giving git checkout main branch. So now I'm in my main branch now. So I'm giving git branch now and git log. Now we want to pick one commit. Let's say uh, git cherry branch. Sorry, cherry pick. So here I'm using F3's ID. And I'm giving git cherry pick, then the ID I'm pasting here. So I'm giving enter. So now if it has been copied, so now if I give git log, you can see F3 adding in cherry branch. I've added in cherry branch. So if we want to get sequence of commits from one branch to another, we can go for rebase. But if we want only one particular commit from one branch to another, we can go for cherry picking. So this is how the cherry picking works. It is in the main branch. You can see here it has copied to the main branch. This is how it works.